Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Diane Bro. I'm with my partner, my domestic partner, Randall Bro.
Yeah, I'm also her husband.
It's
Like
also
domestic part. Made me sound like a dog.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you know, it sounds cooler and hipper, like we're
Yeah,
the millennials.
I've been domesticated.
This is
so
my domestic
I can
partner.
be her partner now.
Yeah, that's right. We're
Yeah,
partners.
she's the pickle lady. We're realtors here in Prescott, Arizona.
Correct.
Bringing
Good job.
you things that have to do with real estate and life in general in the thriving little town of Prescott, Arizona.
That's right.
Yeah.
Our little lovely town.
Yeah.
So this is something new we discovered, and we had so much fun. We're like, oh my gosh, where was this technology? We love this. We were helping a client. They had a few little stucco repairs that had to be done. And of course, the stucco had been on about 5 or 6 years. So sometimes the paint color outside will fade over time. And we were like, how are we going to match this paint now?
Yeah.
You know, because it's faded. And Mr. Bro here found something really cool at the paint store.
So, you know, the thing about the house is the sun doesn't hit the house evenly.
Yeah.
So not only was the color different than the color that was in the can in the garage, because it had faded, but it had faded differently in different spots of the home.
Yes.
And so I had to match the color, and, you know, so you get the color swatches and I actually did really well. I matched one part of the house very well.
He did.
Not so much on the other side.
It's hard. Yeah.
I found this little device. You can get it at the paint store, which is which one we went to?
We went to Sherwin-Williams.
Sherwin-Williams.
Shout out to Sherwin-Williams.
Yeah,
they get great
job.
customer service.
They really do.
They really do.
They
They'll
really
help
do.
you to your dying breath. They're like,
yeah, they've got a number of paint stores here in town. But
I found that they are really
they're the best.
They're very proactive and
Real estate agents spend a lot of time in paint stores.
You know, we're not just showing you homes. You wouldn't believe the other many caps we wear.
Yeah.
We wear a lot of caps.
Mr. Color Matchers. So, so there is a gadget. They call it Smart Scan. I'll have to look up the name of it or whatever. But they have
How much was it? Like $90?
No, it wasn't even that. I think I paid maybe $60-$70 for this little gadget that connects to your phone through Bluetooth, I believe, and you scan it, and it will give you the number of the closest matching color that Sherwin-Williams sells.
It's like a miracle, really.
It really is. Because
we're like, I don't even know. They don't even have the original paint to this house anymore. Yeah. What are we supposed to do? How can we figure this out without having the house look polka dotted with the wrong color paint? Yeah. And we discovered, the guy said, you should try this.
Get this little gadget. And he was telling me about the gadget, and I'm thinking, it's going to be, $500 or something.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's amazing.
And it's pretty easy to use. If you're not a high-tech person, you can hit us up. We'll try to give you some guidance. But it wasn't that hard to figure out.
No.
And, not only is it good for that's usually, we're matching paint. That's usually what the issue is. There's been some sun. But let's say you are decorating.
Yep.
And you have a pillow that you love, and you would like to match one of the colors in your floral pillow and make a feature wall of that color. You can pick out one little tiny spot on the pillow, match that color, and do a feature wall.
Yeah.
So I mean, from a design perspective, it's really interesting.
It's
what
really
you can
cool.
do in matching colors. So
it's an amazing little gadget and not that expensive,
and
well worth it. So for all of our people moving here, if you're like, like what he said, I want to change the color of this wall and match it to my new sofa, or I want to do match the existing color, but I just need to touch up a little area. How do I find that? This is the gadget for you.
And Sherwin-Williams also has technology that allows you to get sort of virtually paint a room to see what the room would look like painted a certain color.
Yeah, that's cool too. Yeah.
Now, I played a little bit. I know less about that. I have seen it around. But they're doing some really cool things with color. So Sherwin-Williams is.
So if you're moving here, give us a call and you want to do some painting and you're like, tell me about that thing again. We'll help you. We'll show you what it looks like, how it works. It's been very instrumental and really saved a lot of expense in buying gallons of paint that didn't match. And then you got to go start over again. So something we learned and we wanted to share this tip
I don't know if it's a design tip, a listing tip. I'm not sure.
It's all of it.
But color
It's all of
matching
it.
can be a powerful thing.
Color matching can be a beautiful, powerful thing. There's no denying it. Having had to buy a $50 gallon of paint and it didn't match.
Didn't match.
I wish I had this little gadget. It would have been amazing.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you are looking to list or buy a house, give Randall and I a call. We are at pickle411.com. We have all kinds of information about life here in Prescott, as well as our contact information. We would love to help you, and we'd love to help you get one of these color matching doodads.
Yeah, to get you started, you might want to check out pickle411.com. That is our free information center, all things Prescott, all things real estate.
Yep.
And insightful and mildly entertaining.
Somewhat insightful.
Yeah.
Somewhat.
I don't know if it's more entertaining or more insightful. I think it's 50-50.
It's 50-50.
Somewhere in between all those things.
We try.
You'll enjoy it.
We try. We can only do the best we can, people.
That's all we can do.
All right. Nice to see you, and we hope you have a good day, and we hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye.